The artist Keith Haring is known for drawing and painting lots of pop art figures just like these, simple and bold and very colorful. They are easy to draw and even more fun to color in. Follow along with me and I'll show you how it's done. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies you need for this drawing are just a pencil, paper, and a thick black marker, and a few crayons. You can find a link to this free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. As you can see, I've already drawn pencil center guidelines on my paper, but you can also just fold your paper in half in both directions to get some creased lines to follow. Let's start with the head shape on the right. It is like a large upside-down U shape, and I think it's easiest to draw it one side first like this and then match the other side. Then that figure gets a right shoulder and arm added. Start on the side of the head, draw one side of the bent arm and then the other side, and a rounded fist at the end. Notice how long that arm is. Most new artists do tend to draw arms on the short side. Now draw two lines for the side of the body like this, and then come the legs. Draw the sides of them coming down from the hands and the other side line of the body, and finish with a line in between. Now we can move on to the other figure, starting with that head. Draw an upside down U shape, the same size as the one on the right. This figure now gets an arm on the left. Place your pencil on the head, draw the shoulder and bent arm, first one side and then the other, and finish with a round fist. Note that this one can be extra long so it matches the other long arm we're about to draw. Next, draw two lines like this for the sides of the body, and then add the legs below. Draw one side with a bend to it, and then the other, and finish with the line in between. Now to start that long arm that goes behind, start at the head, draw the line with a bend for the elbow, then draw the other side below with just a straight line. That arm is now finished with a large hand that looks like this. Finally, that figure on the right just needs to have its right arm added, so it looks like it's going behind the other person. To add a little more interest to that background, let's add a horizon line. And then some radiating lines, kind of like the sun has, along the top of both figures. I'm adding about 15 or so. This feature is something Keith Haring's drawings were also very famous for. Okay, now for the fun part, tracing all of those lines with the thickest black marker you have. If you have just a regular one, you can also just go over the lines a couple of times to get the same kind of look. To finish my drawing off, I'm going to add some spots along the ground because that's what Keith Haring sometimes did, and it makes it look more like a floor or something. And when your tracing is done, it's always really smart to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now for coloring, please feel free to use whatever colors you want. I'm going to start with a bright red color. I think the figure on the left will be a bright blue, and that floor or ground a lavender color. And I like to use this bright yellow-green color a lot because it always makes things look really colorful. And that is how you draw some easy pop art figures in the style of the artist Keith Haring. He was known for using thick black lines and bright colors, which really are fun to imitate. If you do visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you can find more art history lessons, including how to draw a Romero Brito heart and a pop art landscape. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I am so happy you joined me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, always remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.